Hi, it's me again, the great Kiwinoy. Yeah, the time now is 3 p.m., 7th of May 2020, and today is Thursday. So now my ramp is ready to pour. So this is my mixture. So this is 3 buckets of builder's mix and almost 1 bucket of cement. So that's the mixture for about 25 MPa concrete. Alright, so I have to prepare this mixture now. So it's good, it's a bright sunny day. So time to pour concrete on this concrete ramp. So hopefully this mixture will enough uh, for the total area. So what I gotta do is to pour this left side and the right hand side, and this right hand side of this platform. So the reason is, so when about 7 days I have to remove this shutter as well as this one. So 7 days is the minimum strength of concrete. So maybe after 3 days I can remove the shutter. Depends on the weather, because now it's autumn, so it's a bit cold. So we'll see if I can remove the shutter in 3 days. But for now I have to mix this cement and gravel. By the way, this is a builder's mix, so meaning sand and gravel already mixed in here. So that's what we have in New Zealand. So basically 3 buckets of builder's mix and about a bucket of cement. So that's about 25 MPa concrete in 28 days maximum strength. Okay, thank you, and so just see you again. Bye for now.